Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is related to the planet of solar system. If you watch this video till the end, then you can easily attend all questions of competitive exam which come from the solar system. Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. It doesn't have any satellite. It is the closest planet to the sun. It is the second hottest planet after Venus in the solar system. It is the second densest planet after Earth. There is no water in this planet. This planet has no gas like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. So there is no existence of life on this planet. Second planet of solar system. It is the second planet in distance from the Sun and nearest to the Earth. It is the hottest and brightest planet in solar system. In size and mass, it is just like Earth. Therefore, Venus is known as Earth's twin. There is no water in Venus, and because of insufficient oxygen, life doesn't exist in this planet. It is also known as evening star as well as morning star. Venus revolves around the sun from east to west. So sun each rises in the west and sets in the east in Venus. Third planet of solar system is Earth. Earth is known as the watery planet as well as blue planet. Moon is the only satellite of Earth. It has a large quantity of oxygen for which life exists on this planet. It takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds to spin on its axis and takes 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes to revolve around the sun. It is the largest and densest of the inner planets. Earth is made of rocks and stones. Fourth planet of solar system, Mars. Mars is called as red planet. The soil of this planet contains huge amount of iron oxide. Because of it, the color of this planet is orange reddish. Phobos and Deimos are two satellites of Mars. Deimos is the smallest satellite of our solar system. This planet has a thin layer of atmosphere with nitrogen and argon gas. Mars takes 387 Earth days to revolve around the Sun and 24 hours 37 minutes to spin its axis. There is a sign of liquid water in the form of ice on Mars, so life can exist on this planet. Olympus Mons is sealed volcano, the tallest mountain in solar system, is 21 km high and 600 km in diameter. It's situated on this planet. It is 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Next planet is Jupiter. It is the largest planet of our solar system. It is also known as winter planet because of its average temperature is minus 140 degrees Celsius. It is the fastest spinning planet in solar system. It has 67 known satellites and Ganymede, the satellite of Jupiter, is the largest satellite of solar system. It rotates on its axis in just 10 hours, but it takes 12 years to revolve around the sun. Next is Saturn. Yes, friend. It is the second largest planet of our solar system. Titan is the largest satellite of Saturn and the second largest satellite of solar system. Saturn is the only ring planet and the rings are made of with dust, rock and ice. Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei first discovered this planet with a telescope in the year 1610. Saturn spins its axis just in 10 hours and moves around the sun more than 29 years. It could float in water because it is mostly made of gas like helium, which is used in balloon. That's why you can't stand on Saturn. Next planet is Uranus. Yes, friend. It is the third largest planet of our solar system. It is about 4 times the size of the Earth. It was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. It appears greenish in color because of methane gas present in its atmosphere. It is the seventh planet in distance from the Sun. It spins on its axis within 17 hours 14 minutes and moves around the Sun 84 years long. Next and last planet is Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun in solar system and eighth planet in distance from the Sun. The temperature on surface of this planet is minus 200 degrees Celsius. Neptune is blue in color and contains sufficient methane gas. In size, mass, composition, and rotation, Neptune is very similar to Uranus. So, Uranus and Neptune are called twin planet. Please ମୋ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଓ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। Thank you.